You're on the wrong side of loyalty, tumbling weed, misplaced on my defense with your consistency. Maybe your word exists, but others supersede. On the wrong side of loyalty, weather and chalk recall my childhood. Can't find your name at all. You could be overturned without a second thought. All the hardships face, the love that was claimed, the capacity to fold or handle more pain. With you to objective, I decide to harbor such disdain. But I've seen it crease about 1,000 times. Never mind on her, I'm clear. Only welcome with half sincerity. Time can take it out of you. Be the same every time that I see you. Humorous and deteriorating, holding on to the skins of cicadas forever just in case. Hear me out, I allude to the fine print. Common ground, drifting ever so distant, hoping not to be perceived any different. Deaded lives in green. Atlantic tie off virtuous steps on the stones I laid down. No time to skip background noise, couldn't hear what was said. Fabricating memories with Lisa kids on encompassing cliffs. Atlantic tie off virtuous steps on the stones I laid down. No time to skip, celebrate on the 31st. Let you communicate progressively worse. Just moments before we begin to disperse. I'm on the wrong side of loyalty and losing my mind. Maybe just losing touch with every division sign. It's never too late to extend salutations while we're all still alive. You could be the same every time that I see you. Humorous and deteriorating, holding on to the skins of cicadas forever just in case. Assurance is lost with very few thoughts are subject to change, but don't think that I ever forgot. It's somewhere in the cardboard attic I keep all my stuff in back on it. The same, I will be the same. I can be the same when I see you. Thoughts exchange, telepathic brains will always be the same when geography